Spring has sprung. Hello everyone, my name is Rob DeLisi with Stonegate Legal Services, and in this video we're going to be talking about spring maintenance for landlords. Any landlords out there, you need to remember that when you have a rental property, you also need to upkeep and maintain that property. In fact, under the Residential Tenancies Act, under Section 20, it says that you have a duty to upkeep and repair. More importantly, you should be doing this as a landlord. It's easier to maintain than to fix, as my father always tells me. The thing is, a lot of landlords don't want to spend the money because they don't live there. And that's a wrong attitude. So today we're going to talk about 4 things that we need to know. Number 1 is gutter cleaning and yard cleanup. Do not rely on your tenant to do this. You should either do it yourself or hire a third party and do it as a taxable expense. Number 2, servicing the heating and the air conditioning. Right now it is May, it's a little cooler outside, we're not relying on the air conditioning, but this is the time to get it serviced before it breaks down and then a tenant complains that you're not doing your duty as a landlord for maintaining the property. Number 3 is checking for water damage, internal, external. The roof, your windows, your foundation. Now that it's spring and there's a lot of rain coming down, this is the best time to look for these foundation leaks or anything going on with the property. More importantly, maybe even ask the tenant, have you seen, smelled anything that I should be aware of? Because again, it's easier to maintain than to fix a problem. Last but not least is, as a landlord, you should always be documenting everything you do. For our own properties, we have a Google Drive for each property that we have, and one of the folders that we have is regular maintenance. And we document the dates, the times, when people came in, what was done, if there's contractors, what quotes they're giving us, what comments they're making, pictures, video. This way, if we ever have to go to the landlord and tenant board, everything is documented. Something that you'll hear me say a lot is treat it like a business. And if you owned a business, you would be documenting this paperwork in case you ever have to go to court. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know.